How to create drop-down lists in AppSheet. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create drop-down lists in AppSheet. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on AppSheet, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the list, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is AppSheet, it is a no-code application development platform owned by Google that allows users to create custom mobile and web apps directly from their data sources, such as Google Sheets, Excel, and SQL databases, in which it is designed for users with little to no programming experience, enabling businesses and individuals to build powerful apps for workflows, data collection, task automation, and reporting without writing code. And AppSheet also offers features like data-driven logic, workflow automation, and integration with various services, including Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or the sign in button right here, where you can start signing in or log in using some other ways, including here using your email, using your Google account, Apple ID, Dropbox, Microsoft, and many more. After that, you will be directed on this homepage of AppSheet in here, and you should see here the list of my application that has been created and also the databases in here. But to start creating a drop-down list in AppSheet, we can firstly create and click the app button right here. You can choose to start with template, but I'm going to choose the blank app. And on this pop-up window, just simply enter the name of the app and also choose the category in here. So after entering here the name of your application and also the category of it, we can now proceed by clicking the create app button right here. Then you will automatically be directed on the page where you should be able to see that your application is now being created based on the information that we just input or choose. So as you can see, the job app is now ready. It will show us on the right side panel the preview of it, while in the left side panel we can navigate some other options in here. And to start navigating or creating a drop-down list in AppSheet, we can firstly click the data option in here. Then you should be able to see here the data table, and to create a new one, just click the plus button on the left side panel. And then on this pop-up window to add a data, you can choose this AppSheet database in here. You can select here one of the database in your application, and after that just click add one table. Then you should be able to see here that you have now successfully added here a one table once you start syncing in. And after that, if you also see here by clicking the table, the column section on the top panel, just simply click on it, and after that just simply select the table either 1 or 2 in here. Then we can start editing. For example, the table 1, I'm going to edit the title a bit by clicking the pencil icon beside this. And in this pop-up window, we can simply enter the name of the title, the text, the type details, the data validity, the auto-compute, update behavior, the display of it, and many more. So basically from here, we can start customizing all of the details contained in a specific table in order for us to create a drop-down list or drop-down menu using AppSheet. And if you also have an updated version of AppSheet, you'll be able to see here the drop-down list option that you can simply select in order for you to create a drop-down list using this AppSheet. You can also customize some other details of it, with here also the row number, the assignee, status, date, and many more. Then you should see here on the right side panel under the preview the changes that you just created. And after that, just click the save button on the top right corner in order to save the changes once you're now done creating the drop-down list in AppSheet. But again, make sure to also have an updated version of AppSheet so you can be able to find this kind of option, which is this columns option on the top panel in here once you try to collect the data. And after clicking columns and start editing some of the table details, you should be able to see here on the pop-up window the option of drop-down to start creating a drop-down list in here. And basically creating a drop-down list here in AppSheet is important because it enhances the user experience, improves data accuracy, and streamlines data entry. By offering a predefined set of options, a drop-down list reduces the chances of user input errors such as typos or inconsistent entries, which is especially valuable when dealing with standardized data like categories, statuses, or locations. It also speeds up the entry processes, making the app more user-friendly and efficient. And so once again, once you try to create a drop-down list to save the changes, you can click the save button on the top right in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can create a drop-down list in AppSheet. Thank you.